A big winter storm is heading our way, bringing a mix of wintry weather to the Ohio Valley. From light snow in the south to freezing drizzle up north, this system will impact our weekend plans. And with cold temps already here, we're looking at a potential for some slippery travel. Let's break down the latest details and timing. Good morning. Let's start with a look at the weather across the country. A low-pressure system is moving across the southern states, bringing wintry conditions to many areas this weekend. Light snow has already started in parts of the mid-Atlantic region, with 1 to 3 inches of snow expected from the southern Appalachians into central Virginia. This could impact the morning commute, so allow extra time if you're traveling in these areas. Further north, it will be a lighter dusting, while North Carolina is seeing more rain than snow. Looking further west, a powerful Pacific low is the main story. A heavy snowfall warning has been issued for the northern Rockies and the Midwest. Northern Idaho and western Montana are expected to bear the brunt, with up to 2 feet of snow forecast in some places. This system will move east into the Great Plains and the Midwest on Saturday, bringing significant snow and travel disruptions. Along the Gulf Coast, moderate to heavy rainfall is expected through the weekend, and with cold air across much of the nation, temperatures will be well below average from the northern plains down to the east coast. We're also seeing high winds across parts of the country. Wind alerts are in effect for areas including Texas, Oklahoma, and the upper Midwest, where gusts could reach 50 to 60 miles per hour. These high winds could cause some travel hazards, especially for high-sided vehicles. Now let's look ahead over the next few days and into the start of next week. A deep trough of low pressure will dominate the weather pattern across most of the United States. This will bring a mix of wintry weather hazards as several small systems move through. Out in the Pacific Northwest, a strong storm is expected to bring heavy rain and high winds on Monday. This could cause some travel disruption and potential coastal impacts, so residents in the region should keep an eye on the latest forecasts. The Cascade Mountains could see significant snow accumulations from this system. While that storm moves inland, the West Coast will remain under a strong ridge of high pressure. This will bring warm, dry conditions, but it's uncertain how long this pattern will persist. Los Angeles and San Francisco are both looking at sunny skies and highs in the mid to upper 62 degrees Fahrenheit over the next few days, a great preview of the upcoming holiday season. Back in the Midwest and central states, the story is colder weather and snow. Several clipper systems will bring quick bursts of snowfall, especially across the northern states. Chicago and Minneapolis could see some moderate accumulations into early next week. Here in the Ohio Valley, we're expecting a cloudy and cool day today. Some light snow or flurries are possible, especially later in the day. It's going to be a chilly night ahead, with temperatures dropping into the 20 and 30 seconds. If you're heading out tomorrow morning, allow some extra time as roads could be slick in places. In Illinois, Chicago will see some snow later today, while Aurora and Naperville have a good chance of wintry precipitation. Indianapolis in Indiana is looking at a mostly cloudy day, with a high of 31 degrees Fahrenheit. Fort Wayne is a little cooler, heading for 26, while Evansville will be closer to 40. Kentucky's weather will be a mix of sun and cloud today. Louisville and Lexington are both headed for highs around 36, while Bowling Green will be a little warmer at 41. Cloud will increase across the state tonight. Ohio is looking at a cloudy day with some snow or drizzle possible. Cleveland and Columbus are both forecast to reach 32 degrees, while Cincinnati's a little warmer at 35. There's a chance of some clearer skies overnight in Cleveland, but it will be a cold one with temperatures dropping to near freezing. In Pennsylvania, Philadelphia has a 30% chance of snow today, so watch for some slippery conditions if you're traveling there. Pittsburgh and Allentown are both looking at highs around 35 degrees. Over in Tennessee, some areas have woken up to fog this morning. Nashville and Knoxville will clear into a cloudy day. with highs around 40 degrees. Memphis is a little warmer, heading for 41 degrees and a cloudy night. That's your forecast for today from Weatherby. Stay weather aware and have a great day.